Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Ash. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious seafood boil with a little bit of a twist. We'll be adding garlic butter all over those snow crab legs. Let's jump straight into this video. So here I have a whole entire can of Coorslight that I'm going to pour into this pot. I'm going to pour half of the can into the pot and I'm going to drink the other half. If you're not interested in having a little party while you cook, just pour the whole can into the pot. Bring it to a boil, and then we are going to season up that beer. We are going to season up that beer with a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of Tony's Creole seasoning, and a tablespoon of Old Bay. Once we season up that beer, we are then going to season up our snow crab legs with the same exact seasonings, but we will be using a half a tablespoon on the snow crab legs. The exact measurements will be in the description below. So once again, right now I'm just seasoning up my snow crab legs. I'm seasoning it with half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of Tony's, half a tablespoon of Old Bay. Once I get that seasoned, I'm going to transfer it back onto my stove top on a low-medium heat while I'm preparing my shrimp. I'm seasoning up my shrimp with half a tablespoon of Old Bay and half a tablespoon of Tony's Creole seasoning. I am then going to put that shrimp into that same pot with those snow crab legs. So once we are cooking our shrimp, which we'll have to the side for 10 to 15 minutes on low medium heat, we're going to be working on our sauce. So here I am putting minced garlic into a pan, and then I will be cooking it. And as you see, this is how the minced garlic looks cooked. I'm then going to put my secret weapon into that same pan, which is going to be my garlic and herb butter that I'm going to melt down with one stick of regular salted butter as well in that same pan. I'm going to give you guys a quick little preview of how it looks while it's melted down. I add a little bit of parsley, and now we are going to make our way to that garlic butter drizzle top that you guys seen earlier. So here I have the parkway, I believe that's how you pronounce it, squeeze. I'm going to squeeze damn near the whole bottle into that bowl. Once we have that into the bowl, I'm going to season up that bad boy. I will be seasoning it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of garlic salt, and then 1 tablespoon of Tony's Creole seasoning. Once again, the exact measurements will be in the description box below, so if you didn't catch what I said, don't worry. So now we have our snow crab legs. They are finished. The shrimp is cooked after 10 to 15 minutes on low medium heat. And now it's time to transfer it into a bowl. And then that garlic butter sauce that we made in that pan, we're going to drizzle it. Well, just pour it into that bowl. And then we're going to shake it on up. And then we are going to squeeze our garlic butter sauce on top that we made as well. I'm just adding a little bit more garlic on my snow crab legs, y'all, because I love garlic and that's just how I want it. If y'all don't want it to be extra garlicky, I recommend you leave this step out. Off camera, I just shook it on up and I transfer it over into my plate or my cutting board, whatever you guys want to call it, that I'm going to eat it on. That sauce that we made, that creamy buttery sauce, I'm just squeezing it on top, adding a little bit of parsley. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of presentation, and y'all, voila, enjoy. Just look at that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.